morning, dear students. Welcome in the 8th chapter of SWIX, Social Justice and the Marginalized. Students, India is a vast country where people with different economic and social status live together. Some groups are excluded from the mainstream of the society due to age-old social disparities like the caste system, language, and wealth status. Understand the firstly meaning of the marginalized. Marginalized has derived from the word margin. Margin means हाशिया, जिसको आप हाशिया खंड बोलते हैं. जब आप किसी चीज़ को हाशिए पे रख लेते हो तो उसकी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं रह जाती. इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट गिविंग इंपॉर्टेंस टू दैट. So this is also with the some castes. So see again, some people of with different status are excluded from the mainstream of the society due to age-old social disparities like the caste system, language and wealth status. कई बार हम क्या करते हैं, लोगों के कुछ ग्रुप को मेन स्ट्रीम से हम दूर रखते हैं. It may be the reason caste system, language and wealth status like SC, ST, OBC and minorities. We will do detailed study in about that in the next video. But still we have to know what is the meaning of the minorities. Let us see. What is the meaning of the minorities? Minorities means less in number. Community or section of society who are less in number in relation to the rest of the population. जनसंख्या के हिसाब से एक ऐसी सोसाइटी, सेक्शन ऑफ कम्युनिटी विच आर लेस इन नंबर इन कंपैरिजन टू द पॉपुलेशन, जो जनसंख्या के कंपैरिजन में कम है, कम संख्या में है, दैट आर कॉल्ड माइनॉरिटीज़. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? माइनॉरिटीज़. कम्युनिटी और सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी हु आर लेस इन नंबर इन रिलेशन टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन इज कॉल्ड माइनॉरिटीज़. पॉपुलेशन में कुछ माइनॉरिटीज़ में हमारे सेक्शंस हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल मुस्लिम्स, सिख्स. They are less in number, that's why they come in the minorities. So minorities are communities or section society who are less in number, जो संख्या में क्या है? कम है. Now scheduled caste, SC. This word were used by the British in terms of the depressed classes for the poor and subordinate class in the beginning of the 20th century. If I talk about the beginning of the 20th century, British used the term for them depressed classes, poor and the subordinate classes. And they were illiterate and economically weak. अनपढ़ भी थे और इकोनॉमिकली भी वीक थे, आर्थिक रूप से भी पिछड़े हुए थे. British used the term depressed classes for the poor and subordinate classes in the beginning of the 20th century, and they were illiterate and economically weak. But it is not clearly defined in our constitution. We can say that formally it was treated as untouchable. Definition of scheduled caste is not defined in our Indian constitution, but we can say that formally treated as untouchables. Formally starting में ये इनको जो है untouchable treat किया जाता था. In the previous chapter you have come to know that Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Ambedkar has done great efforts for the upliftment of these castes, untouchable, and they called them Harijan, that is the children of the God. So these are the scheduled castes and they accounted for nearly 16.6% of the Indian society. At that time, they were not allowed to take part in the society in the real sense. But present, we can't say like this, but at the time, they were not allowed to take part in the society in the real sense. So in the next video, we will come to know about the scheduled tribe and OBC other backward classes. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.